So my Victron's first important component, which is the inverter charger, has just arrived. It's called Blue Power, company Victron Energy from England. And this one is capable of converting 48 volts DC into 120 volts AC. It's a 3000 volts amps, capable of generating the power, and it charges at 35 amps. .48 volts DC battery, capable of storing 100 ampere, 48 times 100, almost 5000 kilowatts. And this one converts 48 volts into 120 volts. I got my fuse blocks. Under 25 amps set of fuses, and circuit breakers. All this stuff is traveled with me to Grand Manan Island. Electricity power project is coming to reality slowly.